Today's video is not really about any of the Kubernetes concepts, but to install Minikube on your local desktop. It can be any operating system, any architecture. You should be able to install Minikube. There are some of the prerequisites. You do need Docker or a virtual machine environment like VirtualBox, any of these VM managers. But in my case, I have a Mac, and as you can see here, the type of installation and the binary, everything is already highlighted for me. I'm sure, depending on your OS as well, the corresponding installation steps would be automatically available for you. And a bit of prerequisites in terms of the space and memory is that you do need 20 gigs of memory and 2 gigs of free memory, 2 CPU, and of course internet, and a container technology, which is Docker. I already have Docker, and I actually have installed it before, and to do a test run, and I did run into a bit of issues with the drivers because I had VirtualBox installed, and it was not the correct type. It's not compatible on Mac, and it was trying to use the VirtualBox, and it was just failing. So I had to delete it, my VirtualBox. Now my VirtualBox is deleted, and then I was able to install Minikube. So I will show you the steps. All you have to do is, I actually have, so I'm downloading Minikube, Darwin 64 architecture, and I am running the install now. Because I are running as sudo, you need to give the password. So now that is done. Now I need to do just Minikube start. That's it. Just taking a bit of time. So my Docker is not running. So I've got my Docker running now. Let's try again. So now it's able to find the Docker desktop driver with root privileges, and you can see here now it's creating a container, a Minikube container, and the container is already created and running, and it's configuring Kubernetes. So mine is 1.32. I want the latest version. So it's saying try this to get 1.34, so I'm just trying 1.34 because I just want to be on the latest version. Yeah, my Kubernetes is 1.34, but my kubectl version is 132. That may have incompatibilities, so it's just we're just upgrading it. Cool. Now you can see that you have your kube system. You have your core DNS, etcd, that is here for your storage, API server, controller manager, kube proxy, kube scheduler, and storage provisioner. That's awesome. Now if I do kubectl get pods minus a. Now yeah, so get all the pods. That is good. That is how you install Minikube, which will install Kubernetes on your local desktop, and then you will have your basically your local desktop is like your like you have a namespace. Um, I want to see if my namespace. Okay, yeah, your name, your all your server components like the core DNS and HCD, everything is installed in the Cube system, and then by default you have the default namespace, and you can create as many namespaces or as your as possible. Cube CTL create namespace ck test. Yeah, so it's created. So you can do a lot of practicing. You can create a deployment. Let's try to create I think there are some okay, so it says add this to your shell config to make your life easier. How will it? Alternatively, your Minikube can download the appropriate version. You should be able to. I already have kubectl installed, so I probably don't want to do that. It's just so we're creating a deployment, and then we are exposing a deployment with a service. The deployment and the service have the same name, so let's try to do that. So we have a node port service that is running. Well, because it's node port, because generally the default service type is cluster IP. Let's try to open it because you've already done. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll not use any. We need to do like the port forwarding from the, I think on the service. The service is using the deployment might be running on 8080. We are port forwarding our service to 7080. It's doing it now, and let's try to open it. Yeah, so this is working now. So that is how you need to, yeah, it's gone now. So that is how you have to install Minikube, run a deployment, create a service, and expose a service and port forward to one of your local ports, and then access it. That's it. I wanted to also yeah, So once you have everything, you can also see, you can see a lot of things you can delete as well. So right now, k I'm just going to do kubectl equal to k get pods minus a. So I just want to set alias. That's what I did. Oh, I did the other way. Alias k equal to kubectl. Yeah. Now k get services. I'll just do kubectl get all. Okay, so I have, so now all I have is Kubernetes service. I don't have anything else. The deployment, so my cluster is clean now. I don't have any applications running. But if you want to delete your whole cluster, if you want to stop it, you have all these things in your, you can delete your Minikube clusters, everything. If you have, you can do add-ons and you can stop your Minikube as well, and you can pause it also and unpause it as well. So this is cool because it's just downloading the binaries, installing it. All you need is just Docker and internet, which should be easy to install. Even if you don't have Docker, just install the binary from Docker official download pages. Let me know if you have any questions, and this will set you up with Minikube, and you should get started. You don't need to go. You can still go to Killer Coda and other playgrounds, but you have your own Kubernetes setup with Minikube. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.